Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can edit the product page on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, orders, products. You're gonna find customers, content, analytics, and marketing and discount. Here under sales channels, you're gonna find point of sale and also online store. And lastly, right here, you're gonna find your applications. So right now, first of all, go ahead and click on online store. And then here under online store, you're gonna find themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. Go ahead and click on themes. And then once you do that, right here in the top, you're gonna find your current theme. And here in the right, you're gonna find the option to customize it. And next to it, you're gonna find these three dots where you're gonna find some additional options. So right now, go ahead and click on customize. And then you're going to be taken to this editor. So once here in the website editor, you're going to find all of the tools that will help you to customize and edit your online store. So once here, just go to the top and then you're going to find which page you're in, give it a click, and then here you're going to find a list of all of the pages that you have. So right now, just search for the product page, give it a click, and then choose which page you want to see. Once you click on it right here, you're going to be able to customize it. So here in the left, you're going to find all of the elements of your page. So just click on any element that you want to edit and then just go here to the right and then you can edit it. As you can see guys, for example, if you want to change the header, just click on header and then here, for example, you can change the color scheme. For example, I'm going to change the color like this. You can also change the menu color scheme, as you can see guys, right here. And then once you finish customizing your page, just click on save here in the top right, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.